In a bustling city, there lived two friends, Anil, a patient gardener, and the Ravi, an impatient artist. Anil spent his days tending to a beautiful public garden. He loved nurturing plants and flowers, believing that with time and care they would bloom into a something magnificent. Ravi, on the other hand, was always in a rush to achieve fame. He wanted to be a renowned artist quickly and often took shortcuts in his work. Anil's garden became the pride of the city. Visitors marveled at the vibrant flowers and well maintained greenery. Anil's dedication and patience paid off as the garden flourished under his care. Meanwhile, Ravi struggled to gain recognition. His rushed artwork lacked the depth and quality needed to impress critics and buyers. Despite his efforts, he remained largely unknown. Frustrated, Ravi often criticized Anil's slow and steady approach. Why spend years on a garden? Fame and success should be immediate, he would say. Anil smiled and replied, good things take time. Ravi, patience and hard work are the true keys to lasting success. One day, the city announced an art and garden competition with a significant prize for the winner. Anil entered the garden category, while Ravi, seeing an opportunity for quick fame, hastily prepared several pieces for the art category. He was determined to win and finally prove his approach was right. When the competition day arrived, the judges were captivated by Anil's garden. Its beauty and meticulous care shone through, earning Anil's first prize. In contrast, Ravi's rushed artwork did not impress the judges, and he failed to win any recognition. Disheartened, Ravi finally realized the value of Anil's word. Humbled by his experience, Ravi approached Anil for advice. Anil welcomed him warmly and taught him the importance of patience and dedication in one's craft. Ravi began to apply these lessons to his art, working diligently and thoughtfully on each piece. Over time, his work improved significantly and he started gaining the recognition he had always desired. The tale of Anil and Ravi became a lesson for many in the city. It showed that while shortcuts may offer quick results, true and lasting success comes from patience, hard work, and dedication. And Ravi's newfound appreciation for his art stood as testaments to the power of perseverance and the wisdom of taking the time to nurture one's talents. Thanks. If you like the story, please like, comment, and share. This is my motivation. Thanks.